Hello, this is Stephanie Coratori, and today is April 22nd, day one of the CARD Forum here in Orlando, Florida. As I prepared for today's event, I decided to take a look at the latest CBSI blog, which can be found at www.cbsiservices.com. The blog is titled, Be Prepared and Social at Conferences. As I reviewed the blog, I decided I needed to set aside a stack of my business cards, have my laptop charged and ready to go along with my Twitter feed, which you can certainly follow me on at @scoratori, and to have my cell phone chargers available as I'm constantly in contact during these conferences. At around 1:45, Melissa Smith of WEX will be giving an announcement regarding her company and also sitting with the other women who are being honored today. I'm really looking forward to the event. Feel free to tweet me with any questions at @scoratori. Thank you.